Hello children. Good morning everybody. Yes. Dear children, today in this class we shall study the poem The Little Busy. This is the poem, the second poem of your text, English text. Okay. Dear children, have you seen the poem? Have you seen the bee? The bee. It means it is a small insect, so which gives honey. It is a sweet food, isn't it? So have you tasted the honey? Yes, you all taste. Okay, you people taste the honey. Okay, so the bee, it is a small insect which makes the food honey. So how it works? How it uses each and every minute to build skillful hive, and how to make use of every minute to make the sweet food honey. So that is described in this poem. The poem describes about bee, the little bee, how it always busy in his works, and how it makes the food, the sweet food, that is honey. And the poet here, he wants also to be, he wants to be like a bee. He wanted to be like a bee. He wanted to do work like a bee. The poet wants us to do work like a bee. Okay, so let me know about the poem. See, The Little Busy Bee. It is a small poem written by Isaac Watts. Okay, so before going to the poem, let us know about the poet. See, this poem is written by Isaac Watts. So Isaac Watts was born on July 17, 1674. He was a great poet. He was born on July 17, 1674 and died on November 25, 1748. He was died on November 25, 1748. He had mastered Latin, Greek, Hebrew and French. He had mastered means had well known in those languages. He had mastered Latin language, Greek language, Hebrew language and French language. All these languages he can speak. He can speak, he can know, understand. The first hymn book composed by him for children was Horae Lyrica. Hymn means prayer songs. He wrote many hymns. The first hymn book composed for children. He wrote hymn for children. So that is first book. So that is Horae Lyrica. So this is the first hymn book for children. His popular hymns are, he wrote many hymns. His popular hymns are O God, our help in ages past, The Blossom of David, and Jesus shall reign. So these are the hymns written by Isaac Watts. So many hymns are composed for children. Okay. See, in this poem, the poet explains about the bee. The bee is always the poet says that the bee is always busy. It means the bee is always engaged itself in doing work. It was always busy. It builds the hive very skillfully. So it builds the hive very skillfully. It made beautiful hive and stores sweet honey in it. So it stores in sweet food in every cell of on opening flower, every opening flower, it collects the nectar. So that is the sweet food. It collects the nectar and stores nectar in a cell of a hive. Okay. So after it was converted as honey. Okay. So in this way, the bee is always busy in its work. Like the bee, we too must be busy and always do useful work. Like the bee, the poet says that like the bee, we must be busy and always do helpful work, useful work. So here the poet says that we must do useful work. We must always busy in our works. We always be busy. We must be busy and we must work. We must always do useful work. The poet wants us to be like a bee. Understand? The poet wants us to be like a bee, insect bee. Understand? The poet wants us to do the poet wants us to do the work be like a bee. Understand? Understand? So this is here the poet the poet explained in this poem. Okay. See here in the paragraph in the page 31 we have given IRA, introductory reading activity. So this is about Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. So you have to read this paragraph and answer the questions that given below. Okay. Next. So before going to the poem, let me have a look about new words. Let me have a look of new words in the poem. See, duct. Duct means old form of does. Improve. Improve means make good use of. Shining. Shining means bright. Gather. Gather means collect. Skillful. Skillful means clever. Cell. Small compartment in the hive. Cell. Cell means a small compartment in the hive. Jail. Satan. Evil spirit of king of devils. Another one word is there. Mischief. Mischief means injury or damage. Idle. Idle means doing nothing. So these are some words which we found in the poem. Okay. Next. Okay, students, I will read the poem. So listen carefully. So note down or underline the words. If you identify those words as difficult. Okay. See. How does the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower? How skillfully she builds her cell, how neatly she spreads her wax and labors hard to store it well. With the sweet food she makes, in work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too. For Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. In books or work or helpful play, let my first years be passed, that I may give for every day some good home at last. Once again I will read the poem again. How does the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower? How skillfully she builds her cell, how neatly she spreads her wax and labors hard to store it well. With the sweet food she makes, in work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too. For Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. In books or work or helpful play, let my first years be passed, that I may give for every day some good amount at last. Okay? Okay, students. How doth the little busy bee? Doth means does. That means the whole form of does. How does the little busy bee? Bee means it is a small insect. It works very hard. How does it work? It works very hard. It always busy in its work. Understand that the poet compared it as little busy bee because it always works hard. Understand, it always busy, it always work hard. So that the poet called it as little busy bee because it is a little small insect. It works very fast. It uses each and every minute very bright. Understand? So that here the poet called it as little busy bee. How does it work? It works very busy. Understand? Improve each shining hour. See, improve means make good use of. Shining means bright. How it works? It make good use of each and every second, each and every minute. Understand? Always it make good use of each and every second. Very bright, making improve each shining hour, bright hour. Understand? He did not stop its work. He always make uses of each and every minute. Understand? And gather honey all the day. What it works? How it works? It works very busy. It makes good use of each and every minute. It takes every hour as bright. Understand? And gather honey all the day. Gather means collect. It collect honey all the day. So all the day, throughout the day, it collect the honey. Honey means here it collect nectar from every opening flower. So throughout the day, it sits on every opening flower and it collect nectar and store it in the hive. So in this paragraph, we can see how it works, how the bee works and what it works. Okay, understand what it do. So it was collecting. It collects the honey from every opening flower. Understand? And it makes good use of each and every hour. Okay. So in this way, here the poet compares it. He called it as little busy bee. Okay. Next, how skillfully she builds her cell. Children, have you seen the hive of bee? So you have seen how skillfully, how beautifully it builds the hive. Each and every cell, they are very beautifully made by bee. Understand? If you see the hive, we can say that the hive is very beautiful. Understand? So very skillfully, very cleverly, it builds her cell. Understand? How skillfully she builds her cell. Cell means a small compartment in the hive. Okay? So it is a small compartment in the hive. So it is a small compartment. The hive is very large. So cell is the small compartment in the hive. So how skillfully she builds her cell. How neatly she spreads her wax. So after they are collecting the honey, the bee spreads the honey, means that is in the form of wax, gel. That is in the form of gel. So how neatly, very neatly she spreads the nectar, the gel in every cell. Okay, the bee when it collects, after collecting the nectar or gel, what it do? So it will store the gel in every cell of the hive. And labors hard to store it. Labor means work. It works hard. Labor means work. So it works hard to store it well. Well means in good manner. Understand? It stores the wax in a cell very well manner, good manner, very neatly it store it. Understand? Very neatly it store in the cell of a hive. Okay? With the sweet food she makes. What did he do with the nectar? She makes a sweet food. It converted the wax. It converted into a sweet food. Understand? For making sweet food, the honey, the busy bee doing like this. Understand? For making sweet food. Understand? The bee is, in order to make sweet food, she skillfully built cell. She built a cell very skillfully and very neatly spread her wax in a cell. So in this way, the bee makes honey. The sweet food means here, the sweet food refer to honey. We all taste that. It is very tasteful one. Okay. So in this way, the bee, in order to make the sweet food, it works very hard. It works very skillfully. It works very neatly. Understand? So it was very busy. Understand? And see, and it always protects. It protects the hive. Not only it makes the food, it also protects the hive. So how it protects? If someone harm the hive, automatically, suddenly the bee it attacks the person. So in this way, the bee protects the hive. Very carefully protects the hive. So some person, they were going to harm the hive. They were going to damage the hive. If the person going to damage the hive, suddenly the bees grouply the bees, understand, all the bees who are going to attack the persons. Understand? So you can observe in the villages, some people they were going to damage the hives. So after that you can observe all the bees, they were coming together to attack the persons. Okay, how it damages our skins. Understand? So very angry they became very angry after when the person of the hive. Understand? Very skillfully they made the cells, they made the hives. Okay. So in this way, the bees are very busy in their works. Very beautifully, the poet describes the work of bee. So they use each and every hour very bright. They make good use of each and every hour. Very neatly, very skillfully, very hardly they works. What they work? The bees stores, they collect the nectars and the stores in the small compartment of the hive, that means cell, and they make the sweet food. Okay, so very busy. They make use of each and every minute. Understand? They are not stop their work. Okay. So next, in these two stanzas, the poet describes about bee and their work, work. Okay. So in the other two stanzas, third and fourth stanzas, the poet describes we should be like bee. We should be do like a bee. Okay. See. In work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too. For Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. So here the poet describes, the poet advises us, the poet wants us. be like a bee, honey bee. The poet wants us to do it good. The poet wants us to always busy like a bee. Understand? In work of labor or of a skill, I would be busy too. See, the poet wanted to be like a bee. The poet wanted to become a busy person like a bee. See, in work of labor, labor means work. In work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too. So the poet wanted to be like a bee in work or skill. For Satan finds some mischievous thing for idle hands to do. For Satan means, see, evil spirit of king of devils, Satan. In Hindi, it has called as Satan. Satan means evil spirit of king of devils. For Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. See here, the poet always wants us to become busy, and no one would become busy. No one become idle. Understand? The poet wants us to be like a bee. The poet wants us to become busy like a bee. Understand? So here Satan, he says that, the poet says that Satan will find some mischief still for idle hands to do. So some persons are become idols. Some persons are doing nothing. So Satan will find the idle persons, and he provokes them to doing mischiefs, to do bad things. Understand? Here the poet says that if we are not involved in anything, understand? If we are not doing anything, the Satan will identify us, and the Satan provoke us to doing mischief. Understand? The Satan provoke us to do bad things. If we are idle, if we are not doing anything, if we are idle, the Satan means he is the evil spirit. So he finds us and he provokes us to doing mischief, to do bad things. Understand? So Satan always finds out the person who are not doing anything. Understand? So that the poet wants us to do anything and wants us always be like a bee. Understand? Here the poet always wanted to be like a bee. The poet wanted to busy in his life. Okay. So it is a small insect. Bee it is a small insect. It always busy. So he says that why can't we? So we should always busy in our life. We should always do anything. We should always involved in good things. Understand? The poet says that we should always busy in our life. If we are idle, we are going to do anything bad. So Satan finds us. So he provokes us to do mischief. So that we should always busy like a bee. We should always do something. We should always do something, and we should always be busy. We should always be busy like a honey bee. So he says that, the poet says that, in books or work or helpful play, let my first years be passed. Here the poet wants us to spend his first years. The poet wanted to become busy bee, like a busy bee. I wanted to become busy person, like a honey bee. So what did he wanted? What did he spend his first years? What did he wanted to spend his first years? See, in books or work or helpful play, let my first years be passed. The poet wanted to spend his first years to pass in reading books, working or playing games. He says that let my first years. Here my first years referred his childhood days. Understand? So he wanted to spend his first years, his childhood days in reading books or working or playing games. So in order to doing these things, he became busy. Understand? So he wants to let his childhood days pass in reading books, working or playing games, that I may give for every day some good account at last. So he wanted to give a good account after at last. It means after he died, if he live in good manner, if he do good things, and so if he always busy in his work, so it gives some account. He will make some account. So after he died, the people, they remembers, they reflects, they remembers that he is a good person. He was doing something. He was doing so on. Okay. So in this way, some people after our die, after he dies, so he remembers what he do in his life. Understand? So here the poet wanted to give an account by doing good works. Understand? So by doing good works, he wanted to give an account at last. Okay. So in this way, the poet wants us to do good things like a honeybee. The poet wants us to be always busy like a honeybee. We should always busy. The poet says that we should always busy in our life, in our work. If we did not do anything, we will become idle. So the Satan will finds us, and he provokes us to doing bad things. He provokes us to doing mischief things. So that the poet wants us to do good things. The poet wants us to always busy in our life like a honeybee. So like a honey, we will always be busy in our life. Understand? So in this way, the poet explains what we should be do in our life like a honey bee. Okay, students. So here in this poem, have you understand? Okay, I hope you have understand. Okay. So here in this poem, we can find some rhyming words. Rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Can you tell me? Okay, students. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words. See. Okay, students. Rhyming words. So rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Dear students. Okay. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar meaning. Rhyming words are those who have same or similar meaning. Those words are called rhyming words. So we can find the rhyming words. So they have a ending. They have a same ending sound. Okay. Rhyming words means they have same or similar ending sound. They have the sound of same and similar at end. Okay. So we can find in this poem some rhyming words. For example, see, hour, flower. See, in the first stanza you can see these two rhyming words. Then sell, well, skill, still, to, do, play. So you can see the ending sound is same. Okay. So these words are called as rhyming words. Okay, students. Now I will give you homework. Okay, students. Today's homework is answer the following questions. So you have to write the answer for these questions. Okay. When the school opens, I will check. Okay. So those who are not doing homework, so they will be punished. Okay. See, homework. Answer the following questions. Who is the poet speaking about? if you have any doubt, if you have a doubt in order to get the meaning of new words, consult the dictionary. Go through the dictionary. Okay, and answer these questions. After that, you answer these questions. Okay, students. So in next class, we will meet you in another lesson. Okay, student. Thank you.